How to remove gcash on hold. So in this video, I will show you how to do that. Just follow a few easy steps. Now let's get started. So first of all, open the gcash app, unlock your phone and open the gcash app, and you will see your balance on the home screen. Now check for notifications. So if your account is on hold, you should see a notification at the top of the screen. Tap on it and read the message from gcash. It will let you why your account is on hold. So after that, complete required documents. In some cases, gcash might ask you to upload documents like your ID or a proof of address. To do this, tap of the notification or go to profile in the app, then look for the verify now option. Follow the steps to upload your documents. So after that, wait for approval. Once you have uploaded the documents, gcash will review them. This can take a few hours or up to a few days. So you will get a message once your account is cleared and the hold is removed. And after that, you can contact gcash support if needed. If the hold days longer than usual, or if you have questions, you can contact gcash support. Go to help or in the app, then tap on chat with gcash support to ask for help. So this is how to remove gcash on hold. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.